Question number 36. The diagram shows a network of resistors. Each resistor has a resistor of 6 ohms. So each of them has 6 ohms. What is the total resistance of the network between points X and Y? Okay, so that's one asked. So usually when you have identical resistors, let us say two resistors if I have, which are parallel to each other. If I have two resistors which are parallel to each other here like this, the effective resistance would be R by 2. Will be R by 2. If I have three resistors, like this over here, the effective resistance will be R by 3. If I have n resistors over here, effective resistance will be R by n. So using that logic, let us solve this one here. So here the effective resistance will be, what is the each resistance? 6 ohms. So 6, it will be over here 6 by 3, which is equal to 2 ohms here. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 resistors. 6 by 6 will be equal to 1 ohm. Here 6 by 3 is equal to 2 ohm. Now what is happening over here? I have three resistors that are in parallel. The first one is 2 ohm. Then you have 1 ohm, 2, 1, and then you have a 2 ohm over here. What's the effective resistance? 5 ohms. The answer is B.